on, fat pant lizard. Get him over. Oh, look out that lizard.
I'm gonna grab her paw in a minute.
I'm gonna go after her nose.
It's not poisonous, is it?
Oh, no.
She thinks that's the greatest thing. Nothing's coming near me. No. Mr. Skank. No, sir. Get him, Liz. She's got his tail. Oh, gosh. Get him, Lo. Get him.
Lola, play with him. Don't kill him.
Get him, Lo. She's just pawing him. She's not, like, clawing him or anything. I got you, boy. Oh, my gosh.
Oh, God, Isabel. Is he, like, friends with the snake?
He's a reptile. I was going to bite her lip.
How did that scare you, Casey? I was like,
Because I was like,
Lola had gotten his coffee or
no. Like, it just, I wasn't expecting it.
Well, you got corny, don't you, honey? His nose getting wider and wider.